I'm going to be removing the intake and exhaust manifold to change the gasket. If you notice towards the back, it blew out. It's only been running for about 200 miles, and that's ridiculous. I can almost stick my finger through that, and it makes a terrible farting noise on the when you're inside driving it. And I'm sure that's, you know, disrupting the O2 sensor and giving me shit gas mileage, along with higher emissions. And I failed emissions, by the way. So I'm going to fix this so that I can pass it, along with a new catalytic converter, which will be in another video. Yeah. So I'll let you listen to what it sounds like before we take it apart. Pretty easy to tell. I got a new gasket. It's a different brand. At first I went with a Fel Pro. Usually they're really good. But it blew out in the back. So I don't know if something wasn't tight or what wasn't cool. So I got a Victor Ends this time. It's a different shape. So maybe it's a little stronger in the back. So I'm going to see if maybe I can set up another camera for you guys. Alright, once those two bolts come out, both the manifolds should be free. I'll take them out together because I don't feel like taking apart the EGR tube. Yay! Everything should come off now. Oh, got it. Hold on. Vacuum it real quick. I got it rested on the engine. Oh, shit. There. Okay. Whew.
That's the bolt we couldn't get real tight, remember?
Interesting. Thanks. Alright, so, got a little blown out, you know, bent and shit. Fucking gasket. Lovely. In case you guys wanted to see, that's the intake and exhaust together. You can tell where it blew out. Just a little daddy. But, yeah. They're held together by, this tube right here, this EGR tube. That thing's a fucking pain in the ass to take out. Good luck with that if you have to. But everything looks good. Here's a new gasket. Vitorins. And it's got a slightly different pattern to it. It has less, I guess, which is supposed to conform to the actual thing, so there's not this part hanging off. So, I don't know. Maybe it'll give better something.